Okay, so this is the one of the four bulbs I'm having difficulty with, the SB53s, I think they are, from Teckin, and I'm going to use, I've got a different smartphone in my hand here to control it. So basically it displays every color except any color that relies on what I assume is a green LED, or perhaps it's a yellow LED. But basically, so I'm on blue. Now unfortunately, I'm looking at this on my phone and it looks white, but when I look at it with my eyeball, I'm telling you, I see the color blue. And now this is pink and red. And red, that's very red. Maybe look at the light behind it here. I'm going to try something here. See if you can kind of get a feel for the color that it's projecting. Now I'm up in the greens, and there's just no, it doesn't, it goes up and down a little bit, but not, there's no green there. It's just all red. I mean, I'm in the hard green, and it's red, and now I move over and it changes to blue. So I'm actually in the green biased a little bit to the blue, and you can see the blue, but you don't see any green at all. And now I'm going to make it even, now it just gets hotter. That's why it looks so bright. I mean, to my eyes, it looks perfectly blue, but when you see it on camera, it looks white. It's just a very, very bright blue, but it's actually set on aqua, so I'll blend 50% blue and 50% green. Now when I go to blue, now that's bright blue. I've got it on full bore blue, and it does all the gradations in between. That's purple, and then this is pink and red. And then when I try to go to orange, nothing. Like there's no difference between the red and the orange. And when I go to yellow, almost no change at all. Maybe the luminosity changes a bit, but it doesn't really look like anything's happening to the bulb at all. And go to green, and something happens, but there's no green, no yellow of any kind. And full white, regular white, works perfectly. I'll see if I can do that here without causing trouble. There, that's bright white. So at 100%, or that's not even a, yeah, that's 100%. Okay, so basically these bulbs work perfectly. It's just that over time, four of them at different times in the past several months, the ability to produce green or yellow has completely disappeared. Yeah, but other than that, they work great. But unfortunately, that means that they're always out of sync with whatever shade I pick. If I pick one that uses that. Okay, so I'm going to upload this. Hopefully it works. These bulbs are used outdoors. They never get wet or anything. They're in an enclosures that are, up in the eaves trough and point at the ground. So they are subject to, extreme heat and cold. Being an outdoor unit, like here in Canada, it gets up to say plus 40 sometimes and minus 40 sometimes. So it's quite a temperature range. But there are other bulbs from other makers that have not had this issue at all. So I'm not sure what's going on. Anyway, that's basically it.